Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post-process your Fusion 360 G-code or NC file to a USB thumb drive. So whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do before you post-process anything is to make sure that you have all green check marks here. So to do that, right-click on your setup and go to Generate. And once you have all green check marks, you're ready to proceed. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to come on over here and right click on Setup, and we're going to come on down now to Post Process. So go ahead and select Post Process. And the next thing we need to do now is to look for our machine. So we got to come up here to Post, and we're going to click on this folder right here. And then we're going to come on down. The machine we want is not in our selection, so we're going to go find it now in the Fusion 360 library. So click on that, and the post we're looking for is the Haas Next Generation Controller. So we're going to keep going down until we find Haas, because they're all in alphabetical order. And here we go. So we have Haas, and the one we want now is the Haas Next Generation Control. So go ahead and select that, or click on it and then hit select. All right, and we're going to come on over here. We're going to click on these three dots and we're going to select our local folder. Okay, so click on local and then hit select folder and then hit copy to my posts. All right, and now whenever we click on this folder, it'll show up here in our local folder here. Okay, I'm going to hit cancel. And one of the things that we need to do in our class is to come on down now. Let's slide that down and come over here to built-in, and we need to adjust our built-in high feed rate. We need to set that to 50, not 650, okay? And you won't have to do this every time. All right, so make sure you change your built-in high feed rate to 50, all right? Okay, once that's done, we're going to come on up here to program now, and we're going to leave the name and number as 1001. All right, for your file name, make sure it includes your name, okay, and the part name, and indicate please whether it's setup 1 or 2 or even 3. Okay, and then now we're going to come on down to comment here, and you should always include your stock size in your comments. So in this case, we're using 4.75 by 2 inch by 0.75 inch aluminum 6061 stock. Okay, and be sure to include any other relevant information in your comments. All right, now for output folder, here is where you select your thumb drive. So I'm going to click here, make sure that my thumb drive here is selected, and hit select folder. All right, in my class, we use pretty much inches for everything, so leave that as inches, and then go ahead and select post. And if you're lucky, you'll get a message here that you did indeed successfully post your G-code. Next, go ahead now and come on down to this little folder icon and then click on your thumb drive folder. Make sure your G-code or NC code file here is saved properly. Take note of the time. All right, and once that's done, you can remove your thumb drive and take it over to the machine to start milling your part. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.